Hi fam! We found another kid-friendly place dito sa South, ang Coybitos World of Gelato. Located sila sa second floor, Southwoods Mall, Binyan, Laguna. Open daily from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Pagpasok pa lang, excited ng mga kids. Ang ganda ng place, perfect for a quick family bonding. Ang daming flavors ng gelato. Meron ding hot and cold drinks, pasta and sandwiches, and ang pinaka-favorite ng kids, may indoor play area. Para mabigyan ng stub, all you need to do is avail any of their gelatos or anything sa menu nila. And yun, free play ng mga kids. Good thing din na sa parent sitting area, kung working po kayo, may outlet sila at kitang mga kids habang nagpi-play. Ang saya lang makita silang happy at sobrang nag-enjoy. Simpleng ice cream date na nagiging core memory. Kaya kung mapadaan kayo dito sa Southwoods Mall, sulit itong subukan with your family and friends. Salamat sa pagsama fam! One adventure at a time. See you on our next family trip. Bye!